Winegard has finally updated its ConnectT Dome system from the ConnectT 2.0, which has been around since 2018, to a new 5G model with a much more advanced modem and other new features. Is this a good system for you? Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Andy with the Mobile Internet Resource Center, and today we're going to talk about an upgraded product from Winegard called the ConnectT 5G. Now, this is an upgraded product from the ConnectT 2.0, which has been out since 2018, and it is a significant upgrade over the previous 2.0 model. Now, just to give a bit of history, the ConnectT 2.0 system, again, originally came out in 2018, and it combines a Cat4 LTE modem, a Wi-Fi, and a TV antenna for your over-the-air TV into a single dome that mounts on an RV roof. And it has been very popular for RV manufacturers, and Winegard has teamed with many RV manufacturers to install these at the factory to give customers a basic connectivity package that includes things they look for: Wi-Fi, cellular connectivity, and that over-the-air TV reception. Now, when it first came out in 2018 with the LTE Cat4 modem, that is a low-end modem, but it was still okay in 2018. But in 2025, it is way obsolete in our opinion. So it is great to see that Winegard has upgraded this design to include a 5G modem. Now, the 5G modem that they are using is the Kectel RM520 modem. This is the X62 based modem that is in the vast majority of cellular routers on the market today, including those from Peplink. And it is a very capable and proven modem module design. So it's great that they've added that to this to really make a generational leap in terms of the cellular capability of the new ConnectT 5G. Now, like the other X62 RM520 modems, it does have very good cellular band support on both LTE and 5G, so it should support all the major carriers, AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile, for all your sub-6 frequencies on both LTE and 5G. But that isn't the only thing that's been upgraded for the ConnectT 5G system. They also have 2 Ethernet ports inside the dome on the circuit board. Now, the previous ConnectT 2.0 system always had an Ethernet port that worked, but it was never officially supported, was never documented in any of their documentation. Well, in the new ConnectT 5G model, they have 2 Ethernet ports. They are officially supported, and one of those ports is a LAN port and the other is a WAN port. These are gigabit speed ports, so plenty fast enough for what this device can handle. There's also an additional cable gland to allow an Ethernet cable to go inside the dome and connect to one of these ports. Now, Winegard is advertising this as a potential pairing with a Starlink dish, where you could have your Starlink dish, say, mounted on your RV roof on the outside, and then you could have the Ethernet cable go into the Ethernet WAN port inside the ConnectT 5G. So that is definitely a possibility, and you can also use the LAN port if you wanted to get an Ethernet cable, for example, to inside your RV. Of course, you'd have to drill a hole and route a cable to make that happen.
This content is made possible by our premium members over at the Mobile Internet Resource Center. We strive to create unbiased content for our audience. We are not sponsored, we're not driven by affiliate sales, and we don't sell stuff. We are here to provide unbiased content, and for that we are funded by our members, and our members get a lot of additional perks for their support. So please, if mobile internet is an important part of your lifestyle, consider supporting us.
Now for the Wi-Fi system, unfortunately that hasn't changed over the ConnectT 2.0 model. It is still only Wi-Fi 5, and one of the downsides of the ConnectT system is that Wi-Fi is WAN. That's when you connect your Wi-Fi, say, to a campground or public hotspot to get your internet connection that way. You can only do that with a 2.4 gigahertz frequency, which is usually very crowded and slow. So we hope that Winegard here in the future comes out with a firmware update to allow the 5 gigahertz frequency to also be used with Wi-Fi as WAN. Another new addition is compatibility with Winegard's RV Halo system. Now, RV Halo is a Winegard mobile app, and it pairs with sensors that Winegard sells, smart sensors for temperature and water leaks and other functionality that you can use to remotely control parts of your RV or get alerts if something would go wrong. So it can serve as a hub for that, and you can use the mobile app with it as well to also manage your Rooftop ConnectT 5G system. Now, one of the nice things about the ConnectT design is that it's very simple from an installation perspective, which is probably why so many RV manufacturers put these on their RVs, and that is that it only needs 12-volt power, and if you're using the cable TV over the air antenna cable, then you would need a cable for that. So it's really only 2 wires, and it just screws down onto the RV roof, and you're good to go. So if you have an older ConnectT 2.0 model, it's actually very easy to upgrade to this new 5G model. You just have to remove the old dome, install the new dome, and then reconnect the 2 wires, and then it should be good to go. So that is a very convenient option, especially for those who have been using their ConnectT system and want an upgrade. But for those who want, I guess, more advanced features, another downside of the ConnectT system is it has very basic consumer-oriented firmware, so you don't have advanced routing options, you don't have advanced features like bonding or load balancing, or the ability to combine multiple WAN inputs like you can, for example, with a Peplink router or some of the other prosumer routers. So that's something to keep in mind. It's a great option for people with more basic needs who just want a 5G upgrade and don't want the hassles of a complex installation where they have to drill a bunch of holes in their RV, especially if they already have an existing dome. But for those who want more advanced features, especially more advanced firmware, then you might want to look at other options, which we do have on our website. You can check that out in the link in the description below. Finally, the price. This is priced at $899 on the Winegard website. It's currently available for pre-order, but it should be shipping shortly. We also do expect this to start coming out on newly built RVs. So if you are in the market for an RV in the next couple of years, this may come on it or be an option that you can add. So that is something to consider. And if you want to upgrade, again, it's very easy. You don't need a lot of skills or fancy tools to do that. So that is definitely an advantage. So that's it for today for news from Winegard. We appreciate you watching. Stay connected, and we'll see you next time.
These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.